And we have some breaking news coming in from Nandigram this time, where Suvendu Adhikari has now said that media has been attacked in Nandigram.
মিডিয়ার গাড়ি, সংবাদ মাধ্যমের গাড়ি লক্ষ্য করে, যেহেতু সংবাদ মাধ্যমের গাড়ি
All right, so that was the latest reaction that we are playing right before the break of Suvendu Adhikari, who has now stated that there has been an attack on media persons in Nandigram. That is a high-stake battle that we are witnessing between Suvendu Adhikari and Mamta Banerjee, also stating that even media vehicles have now been targeted. As far as Nandigram is concerned, we will try to shortly play that entire reaction coming in from Suvendu Adhikari, but Suvendu Adhikari is now stating that there were certain media persons and their car that has been attacked. Going back to my colleague Anuj now. Anuj, we are getting in a confirmation from Suvendu Adhikari himself, who has now stated that media has been attacked in Nandigram.
Oh, well, exactly. That's Suvendu Adhikari who is confirming the same, that the media has been attacked. Now, let me tell you, this was the carcade of Suvendu Adhikari, and since from the very morning after 7:35 he casted his vote. This was the media from the voting point, from where we were continuously following Suvendu Adhikari, and Suvendu Adhikari was revolving here and there from one booth to another booth in his constituency in the Nandigram area. So there, what we have been told, this attack has happened, and there was some kind of stone pelting which has been done on the carcade, and this was the media cars one after another which was attacked. This is to wait what exactly has happened, but Suvendu Adhikari himself is intervening in the same and has asked the police officials also to go to the point and look into the matter. So we have to wait for the official confirmation that who exactly has been attacked and what exactly was the reason for this particular attack. But since from the morning we are getting these kind of reports where sometimes this is Trinamool Congress coming out with the allegation that they have been attacked by Bharatiya Janata Party leadership, and sometimes this is Bharatiya Janata Party leadership coming in, Bharatiya Janata Party workers coming in, and they are alleging that they have been attacked by TMC. Although let me also remind you that TMC has also complained about the CRPF that they are being biased. They have also complained about the BSF, because we do know that 22 companies of central forces is already being deployed to take control of the law and order situation. But the latest we have been told and we are learning from Nandigram is that some media car, some car of the media has been attacked. We have to wait and watch what exactly has happened and what exactly was the reason. But Suvendu Adhikari has given the bite on the same, and there in his reaction he is telling us that he has asked the police personnel to go to the point and check everything. So we are waiting for the police confirmation also what exactly has happened and what exactly was the reason for the same. Yes.
All right. In fact, Anuj, we have seen several such incidences, sporadic incidences coming in from across several of the constituencies where we are seeing polling happening. But we also have a news of vandalism in Keshpur and clashes happening there as well. If you can share more details on what exactly has happened and what kind of action has been taken against the perpetrators as well, because there has been allegation and counter allegation that has been coming in from both the TMC and the BJP.
Oh, well, exactly. There are allegation and the counter allegation which is coming in from both the parties. Earlier, let me tell you that till yesterday also, these were the letters which were written by both the parties. Let me tell you, this was Bharatiya Janata Party who attacked TMC, that some kind of infiltration has been done and some kind of outsider has been called in Nandigram who are not the voters of Nandigram area. On the other hand, TMC second time has written a letter to Election Commission. This happened yesterday when they allege that this is Suvendu Adhikari who's doing harboring of the criminals and giving shelter to the criminals, and they also are not the residents or rather the voters of Nandigram area. So this is something what we have been told, and since from the morning this has been reported from different constituencies, from different areas of Nandigram, where this has been alleged by both the parties that sometimes the booth workers are not allowed to visit to their their respective booth, and the complaint has been registered. We are continuously seeing by Trinamool Congress also where they are raising the question, mentioning the booth number.
All right, before that, we are going across to Jaiprakash Majumdar joining us over the phone line. Sir, now we have Suvendu Adhikari's first reaction stating that after several of the incidences of violence that has been witnessed now, there has been attack on a media convoy as well.
No, you see, now in Nandigram, the desperation of Trinamool very, very apparent that they are going to lose in the election, they are going to get defeated.
All right, we'll fix that audio with Jaiprakash Majumdar, who had joined us with more on this. But going back to my colleague Anuj, and before that, this is the latest reaction of Suvendu Adhikari stating that media has been attacked in Nandigram.
लेकिन सीएपीए भी है, बूथ का अंदर कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए बाहर से ये पथराबाजी कर रहा है।
तो शुभेंदु अधिकारी
ये जंगल राज, ये जंगल राज। मीडिया हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का पिलर है, ये पूरा देश को देखना चाहिए। और बंगाल को मतदाता उसका अगले 6 चरण बाकी है, देखिए क्या कर रहा है। तो सब नहीं, मेरा सुझाव है आप पूरा के पूरा, आप तो ऑफिशियल इधर आया है, आप कानूनी कार्रवाई करना चाहिए, आपको कानूनी कार्रवाई चाहिए। और मेरे लिए आपका खून
नहीं, हम
सॉरी भैया,
लोकतंत्र के लिए
बहुत बढ़िया। आप यहाँ सुन, आप आइए,
ठीक है, मैं टेटनस लगवाता हूँ।
गाड़ी को रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा, गाड़ी रिप्लेस मेरा सबसे